If you'd like to join us in the flag salute, please stand, put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
We appreciate all families and caregivers for dropping off and picking up your children at the gates. And thank you also for using the Daily Pass so that your children can be admitted safely on campus. In the month of May, we honor and appreciate all of our amazing Catskill staff members. Next week, students and families will be able to show their appreciation to our Catskill staff members by participating in the events from May 10th through the 14th. Our distance learners can pick up grab-and-go meals in front of the school auditorium every day, Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. The Carson Library kicked off a spring and summer discovery program. The City of Carson will have a virtual Cinco de Mayo celebration on May 5th at 6:30 p.m. Catskill will continue to have more new updates on Class Dojo and on the school website, so please check to make sure that you don't miss out on those updates.
Welcome to Playworks. Today we're playing Rhythm Detective. Rhythm Detective can be played anywhere. You just need a group of 6 or more people. The goal of the game is to practice problem solving and creative thinking skills. Before beginning, demonstrate how to create a rhythm with hands and body, such as clapping, snapping, or dancing. The game leader designates who will be the rhythm detective for the first round. The rhythm detective will be the one to try to guess who is leading the group in rhythm movements. The player will turn away from their camera or cover their eyes. The game leader will select one player to be the rhythm captain. Write their name down and hold it up to the screen to make sure everyone knows who they will be following. This person will be the one to lead the group rhythm movements. Keep this person a secret. You don't want the detective to know who they are. To begin the game, a rhythm captain should begin doing a rhythm pattern, and all players must copy the movements. Once the rhythm captain and other players are all doing the pattern, the detective can turn around and face their screen. After a few moments, the rhythm captain should change the sound or pattern, and all players should follow as quickly and discreetly as possible. The detective will get 3 guesses to see who the rhythm captain is. If they guess correctly, or if not guess correctly after 3 guesses, the game leader will select a new detective and a new rhythm captain and begin a new round. When practicing social distance, keep a 6-foot bubble between you and other players. Can you find the rhythm captain? Let's play!
Good morning, Catskill Cougars. This is Mr. C coming at you live from our campus here on May 3rd. Today is the 152nd day of school, and can you guys believe it? There's only 6 weeks left of school. So let's see who's going to attend to the end. That's right, guys. This is our motto for the rest of the year. Attend to the end every single day on time. Let's see who can do this. Today, let's announce our winners. Remember, students, you're eligible to win if you are present here on campus or via Zoom with your teachers every single day. So here are our winners this week. In pre-K, room 2, Miss Lee's class with perfect attendance so far this year. Today's winner is James Lee. In kindergarten, room 9, Miss Amador's class with excellent attendance so far this year. Today's winner is Aiden Miranda. In first grade, room 6, Miss Miranda's class. Today's winner is Aldo Reyes Gutierrez. In second grade, room 14, Miss Ochoa's class with perfect attendance this year. Today's winner is Joanne Peliu. In third grade, room 13, Miss Baledo's class. Today's winner is Angel Alvarez. Fourth grade, room 26, Miss Chang's class with perfect attendance. Today's winner is Ethan Cruz. And finally, in fifth grade, room 32, Miss Higuera's class, also with perfect attendance. Today's winner is Allison Oscal. Congratulations to all of our winners this week. Students, remember to be looking for your prizes in the mail. Keep up the great work, and remember, attend to the end. Have a great week, everyone.
Good morning, Cougars. Happy Monday. In this week's Tech Tip, we'll be doing a fun magnetic poetry activity, and the Shapegram Challenge will surely make you roar. You can find this week's Tech Tip, number 23, and all my Tech Tips at bit.ly/TTWMC. Tech Tips with Mr. Collins. Have a great week!
Hey Catskill Cougars, it's Mrs. Kroger, your school psychologist. We are in the month of May. I think we have 29 days left of school, something like that. And this whole year, it's been hard for a lot of us to get used to it. But, you know, with all our social emotional learning and talking about feelings and feeling good on the inside, hopefully we've built some skills to feel good. We've talked about problem solving and coping skills and growth mindset, perseverance. So let's start focusing on feeling good on the outside too, and how it helps us feel good on the inside. For the month of May, our theme is on self-care and wellness and how we take care of our bodies and our health. This week, we're talking about physical activity and exercise and how staying active makes our bodies, minds, and moods better. What kind of physical activity do you like? Do you like to run or swim, play baseball, basketball, tennis? With our weather getting much warmer, there's so many opportunities to be outdoors and to play. So let's get up and let's get moving. Have a great day, everyone.